Let us talk about research objectives in this particular section. Welcome to Shambhavi Spectrum. We must understand that we have a time limitation, and though we may want to have many objectives and try to find solutions for every problem which is happening in this world, there is only so much scope of activity that we can do. Considering that this is a research proposal and which will lead later on to our thesis, let us keep one or two primary objectives and maybe one or two secondary objectives. What is important is to understand that your outcome from the research will be reviewed on the basis of what your objective originally was. Did you achieve what you set out to do? And to what extent? So, as you are moving along your research, whenever you feel little distracted, come back to review what your objective was. In all this, as I have said before, you're going to have a limitation of pages, or maybe you're going to have limitation of number of words. Again, writing your objectives may seem like a mammoth task, nothing like a pen and paper to put your thoughts together. There, write it down, review it, write again. You will take a couple of iterations, but believe when you get there, you will know it. So let us start and work more towards our research proposal. And in the following videos, you're going to have more information. Thank you very much. For any queries and any help, message me or put in the comment section, and we can see how we can help towards a better research proposal or a thesis itself. Thank you.